Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I want to show you my washing machine hack. So I have this washing machine filter which is already torn and cannot be used. It's got holes and all that. So what I'm going to do is I went to Daiso or something like that and purchased this item. This is a net filter for the washing machine. So I'm using this one. Here it is. Then the old one, I'm going to tear it off. So I'm going to remove it from the torn part. So I'm going to pull it out and remove it, which I've already done. And this old one has served me very long. Thank you very much. I'm going to throw it away and I'm going to take the new one. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it over like this and put it inside so that it will become attached. I will show you how it's done. It over it like that and you fix it in the fixture so it becomes a new filter. So just neat and tidy up it a bit. So pull it that it becomes neat and tidy like this. So there, it's done. Voila, your new fixture, your new net into the filter is done. And now we are going to fix it to my washing machine. It came from here and I'm going to just slide it inside. Look, I'm just going to slide it inside and my new net is done, and all the dirt will be captured inside this dirt. Any thread, any residue and all that, when you open the water it will flow very neatly and nicely, and you can close your washing machine. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it.